He had his head in Morris's food bowl. Come on, buddy. Over here. Let's go. Come on. Come on, this way. Herding cats first thing in the morning. I don't know why you don't just run over here. You know, it's the same every morning. Pretty much. Good boy. There you go, buddy. Enjoy it. Hi. Hello. Hi, pretty boy. Well, good morning, Mr. Praying Mantis. I've been seeing a lot of these guys this year. And you eat the Japanese beetles for me. I don't think they're your normal diet, but you know, if you take them out for me, that would be great. We did get some rain yesterday, but not a lot. I'd be surprised if there's a 1/10 of an inch. Huh? Solid 1/10. Okay. It was enough to wet the ground, but not under the trees. Well, Johnny has a follow-up dentist appointment today at 1, so walk, Legos, dentist. That's pretty much how the day is gonna go. All the kitties are doing good this morning. It's not horrible out here. It's not nice either, though. I got a couple mosquito bites in the backyard. I am really super starting to long the first cool day of fall. Seriously, at this point. Thank you, Donnie. There's a box turtle in the road. Don's gonna hustle down there and help him across the rest of the way. Hopefully he won't get splatted before he can get there. They must be staging to mow somewhere else because the park's mowed. Yeah, box turtle's the name for that turtle with the really pretty shell that's tiny that we see crossing the trail all the time. It must have a more official name, but I'm not aware of what it is. It's a land turtle, not one of those big snapper turtles that'll try to take off your finger. Did you get him across okay?
Yeah, I was very worried because the car
was coming right then?
Well, when it came, straddled him. You know, I thought the guy, anyway, the point is the guy did straddle him. So, I put him, you know, they say point him in the way
he was going.
So I've set him well into the grass there. But it was flat and level, so he could get his orientation.
Okay. Well, thank you for rescuing him.
Yeah.
That right on the curve over there was definitely not a good spot for him to be crossing the street. Well, this is our 3rd time around. There's a few people out here this morning, not tons. I haven't seen the nice grandma with her grandkids today. She does a great job of getting them around the track at least one time every morning. And it's little kids in their bikes and their wagons. And yeah, she does a great job with them. Haven't seen the kids either. They said Friday is splash pad day, so they ought to be coming in their swimming gear today. It's plenty hot and sticky out here. We got a chance of Florida weather this afternoon again. Hopefully it won't tease us with a 1/10 of an inch. Either rain or don't rain. Here's a kitty again. Let me zoom in. I'm just trying to document them when I see them. The girl that adopted Lady Luna, by the way, she's doing really well. You know, if we could help some of these cats, we would. Get them to facilitate. If I can tolerate the mosquitoes, since I'm already hot and sticky, I try to always sit with Marty and Tux when we get back from our walk. These two are the two that are the most often around, run over to see me, loving the pets. It's these two, and Tux is not trying to take Marty out anymore when Marty comes over and headbutts him, so that's good. He might do a gentle swat and say, nope, don't do that, bud. But he's not mean to Marty, so that's good. Yeah, hi Mart. I'm trying to go back and forth. Whoops. That was my water. That was my water bottle. That was my phone. I'm trying to go back and forth between the two of you. Yeah, I'm trying to put in a gas grill, a cooler, and a sink, and some flowers on the back. Jay Stepher, Jaystepher on YouTube, that channel. He has great little mini builds that I use his stuff all the time for ideas. He has his arranged differently. A lot of times he builds these on a little plate just to show that build. Whereas, you know, I'm putting it on the floor of my modular, but still it works out about the same. I'm going to have a circular stone walkway leading over to the grill area. Although I do like the 2 one way, 2 the other way, back and forth pattern he has here. I'm pleased. I got the grill area done, and we're just cooking a fish. I wanted a steak, but I don't have a steak. They make a steak, but I don't have it. I'm going to fill this in with more dots. You know, it'll be solid dots by the time I'm done. And there's a nice brick pattern over here on the end, but I ran out of medium nougat brick pattern, so when I get some more I'll swap them out. But everything else is the way it's supposed to be. Nothing I can't finesse in just a couple of minutes when I'm ready. Uh-oh. And we just had them check the 12-volt battery, like, what was it, 6 weeks ago, and they told us it was fine. I guess I'm gonna roll the window down a little bit. Normally I wouldn't do that, but dang it. We'll take Jules. We're back from town. All went well. Johnny got a pineapple milkshake, and Don's still working. It's only 3:30, so I am building the floor for the second floor. The second story, I'm building the floor. It's time to knock off for the night. I swapped out the flowers here on the front. There was too much gray showing. It's still a little too much gray showing, but I think it's better. I like it better. And I think it still coordinates with the other flowers just fine. I've got in the triangular shapes over top of the door and the 2 lower windows. They're actually attached to the stud on the second floor. I am short at least 3 of these tall windows. I got to make sure I only need 3 more. You can kind of get a feel for what the bedroom is going to look like on this end, the 2 beds. I am missing this piece. I really believe I misplaced it, so I need to order one of those because I cannot find it. It was in with the bookshop, and I just don't know what happened to it. And let's see, tomorrow more of this dark turquoise is coming, and more of these white window siding pieces here. So I'll be able to build up the walls, but not until tomorrow's order comes. And I did install the other fireplace on the other end. And I don't know what color floor or what else is going. I do need to build the stair steps. I can always build the floor for the upper level. I've got stuff to do. But it'll be nice when the dark turquoise bricks come. This is medium azure. This is dark turquoise.